very busy at London Fashion Week, and in exactly 1 hour, you will be too. Your show starts at 6 p.m. You have a lot of models to get through before that time. Good luck, and don't let me down.
That's all she's given us.
What?
Hi. Nice to see you. Hello. Thank you so much for having us.
You're welcome.
So here are your
guys.
5
Hello.
assistants.
Welcome. My name is Lan, and I'm the key artist here. The makeovers are going to have to be adaptable, on the ball, willing to take instructions when needed. You have to really listen to the key artists. It's working as a team. They have to be confident. Even if they're panicking, they don't show it.
Today, she's the key for fashion label Starsticker.
There is 12 models. Don't worry, please don't panic. You know, you're going to have half in hair, half in makeup, so that gives you the time to do the makeup. And I'll come around and check and guide you, OK?
So you'll be doing a demo at the beginning. I'm glad you've got your notebooks. Make notes. It's about speed, it's about accuracy, and it's about precision. Our MUAs are going to have to replicate a look from a live demonstration.
You're basically copying what I do.
So they're going to have to really look at the brushes that are being picked up, look at the products that are being used, how the brush strokers are working on that skin. All these things are going to really help them to replicate that look.
Get it right into the lash. So you've already got the eye, but when she opens up, do you know what I mean? It looks straight. Do you understand? It's not about plastering makeup all over the face. You really do have to be quite delicate because it's beauty. Not only does it have to look good close up, but it has to look amazing for on the catwalk as well. So you've got to follow the bow and underneath. Can you give me a kiss? Can you see the shape? Circular motion keeps that little pout, yeah? OK, is everyone happy? You've got under 2 hours, and that's including the hair, nails, and everything that's going on. So off you go. All your stations are ready.
Oh, my gosh. I took pages of notes, and I can just go through my checklist, and I'm like, 1, 2, 3, done, done. So that's just how I'm going to be working.
To make sure that MUAs keep on track, the key must give constant feedback.
OK, how are you getting on here?
OK, I think.
So that's fine. You're going straight across, but connect it to her eye, yeah?
OK, cool.
Yeah, don't be scared. Just whack it on.
Go for it.
Whack it on. We haven't got time.
Thank you. It is so scary when the makeup artist comes around because she's such a perfectionist.
Tiff, which bit are you on? Because I'm just gauging where I'm supposed to be with you.
I'm just on eyes.
Yeah, OK, cool. Just having a look at Tiff will just give me a little bit of an idea as to whether I'm falling behind or not.
After 45 minutes, the first models should almost be ready. But not until they've been signed off by Lan.
Oh, you think you're done?
So.
OK, are you sure?
I think so.
OK, so I can still see... What's this? What is it? Oh, I think you must have put your hand on her face. You've got lipstick travelling around. Red, 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 red.
Oh, God. OK, sorry.
Do that as quick as you can, because I need you to start someone else, please.
Other MUAs are starting their second models.
As you can see, your model here has already the hair done, so you cannot touch the hair.
It wasn't hard enough, it is now.
Now that you know what you're doing, right?
I'm ready to fly.
Yeah.
All
Thank
right,
you.
thank you. Honestly, people are just saying jump, and I'm just saying where to.
Backstage can be unpredictable. Any delay in hair or fittings can leave an MUA without a model to work on.
Because you two are free, let's utilise the time. We have a model there in hair, and she's got loads of makeup on. I need you to cleanse it and get ready. Yeah? So work together, please.
Yeah.
Just until I can find a model for you guys to work from. It's getting really late, and obviously we have to try and get this look done. They have to work alongside hair and the nails, so everyone is on top of each other, so they have to be quite adaptable, and I think they're doing really well.
With 5 minutes to go, Dominic arrives to check up on how the MUAs are performing.
Has anyone impressed?
Tiffany has been a good team player, running around, picking up where other people left off.
That's good to know.
Everyone's, like, really working as a team, but we still have 2 models that are not done. I need those girls done.
There, and now she's done.
Out front, the fashionistas are arriving.
Just fix that lip. It must have smudged when she got changed.
OK, guys, if I can have all the girls, please.
I'll be back.
Get down to the catwalk now. Come on. Show to start.
Can we have a look here?
Applying the final touches.
Tidy up here. She needs powder here.
Like this for me?
And just like that, it's showtime.
I'm really happy. We've done it.
If you can do Fashion Week, you can do anything. There is nothing in the world that can faze you now because you've dealt with the stress of working backstage.